Pond5.com.
Hello. This is a true bittersweet story with a sweet ending. 2 years ago we were newly married and lived with love and of course hardship. We decided to start our own business. Our goal was to establish a greenhouse for agricultural production. We started with a lot of hard work and selling different equipment, and savings and bank loans. We had hard days. By the time our greenhouse opened, it had become a small shelter for homeless animals. We also had some bird tenants who had children inside the greenhouse. Things were good until we got to winter. The winter here is very cold. We had to get an industrial heater to heat the greenhouse, and this heater caused a lot of problems. But all the places that used jet heaters had a lot of environmental problems and low efficiency. Severe air pollution, high fuel consumption, hard to troubleshoot, incorrect adjustment. Low efficiency, many fires, production of carbon dioxide gas, etc. Despite all these problems, we continued until one night, our greenhouse caught fire. And everything burned us. And turned to ashes. According to the fire brigade, only 4 other places had caught fire in a limited time, the news of which was published in the newspapers. A poultry farm fire that caused a large number of chickens to die. Unfortunately, 2 people were burned and suffocated in the fire, and another greenhouse and a cattle farm. By reading this and searching, we came to the main cause of these events, the jet heater. The same bad jet heater. The high cost of intelligent equipment, the lack of industrial automation, and the lack of a comprehensive system for each specific issue were the reasons why people worked traditionally. Our work started and our goal was to improve human life and help the environment. My wife was previously the head of the robotics team and is familiar with how to find ideas and research and electronics. After a year and a half of continuous research and extensive design and ideation, we arrived at the prototype of the device. Our device is installed on each jet heater and turns it into a smart jet heater. Of course, in principle, this is a very complete and accurate automation system that is installed on the jet heater. The capabilities of our system are as follows. Read information from a network of sensors such as light, temperature, humidity, flammable gases and carbon monoxide gas from a distance of 200 meters. Precise programming of jet heaters with computer software with the ability to turn on a specific date and time and raise the temperature to a certain degree and then turn off the device. Log and store all ambient information of temperature, humidity and device operation at that moment. Very simple troubleshooting by showing the error to the user by the display. Turn off and create an audible alarm in case of any problems. Avoid any fires on the spot. Prevent the accumulation of harmful gases in the hall. Simultaneous use of jet heaters as air conditioners and air movers. Precisely adjust the flame and prevent raw burning. Prevent excessive fuel and excessive gas production and help the environment. This system is patented in Iran and has been scientifically approved by a company and a university. You can now buy this system in Iran at a very low price of $70. While an industrial automation system will cost at least $3,000, which means 42 times more. Our goal is to save lives, reduce greenhouse gases, and help humanity.